The youth. You are the youth who is the hope for a better future, as long as you can tear from this avocado toast and TikTok challenges. Hi, my name is Anshul. You are the youth who is the hope and the hope for a better future, and everyone has expectation from you, and you are the only one who can change the society in positiveness. And you have creative thinking, unique talents, and many more approaches and positive thinking, and you can only change the future of our beloved country and many more futures, like you, your parents, your sons, and many more. But what most of us are doing, we are just using this powerful mobile in a bad manner, in a useless manner. Use it in a careful way. It is a blessing from the God we have got. We should thank to the God that we have got that blessing. But most of the parents defame the mobile because of some of the students who are not using it in a proper way. Use it in a proper and creative manner. We are the beacon of the hope with expectation of our parents and many more. Every morning you have two choices: wake up and chase your dreams, or wake up and sleep and dream your dreams. Take care and happy Independence Day.